Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with unboxing video of iPhone 8. I'm a Samsung guy, so I just want to unbox the iPhone. So I said, okay, why not I try that one? It's iPhone 8, 64 gig. Let's unwrap the box.
Let's go.
After the unwrap the box, let's open the box to see that iPhone 8. Oh, we are welcomed by the documents, paperwork. It's a quick start guide or SIM eject tool must be in there. And let's put it aside and go for that iPhone 8. I like the black, jet black color because I like the black, all black screen. It looks beautiful. I want to go for the 8 Plus because of the dual camera, but I said okay, I already have in a Note 8, so why not I try that small size to a change because I'm a Note guy. So let's try the small size. That's why I'm doing it. Alright, mute button, volume up and down. It's a lightning cable, stereo speakers, fingerprint scanner. On this side is a SIM slot, power button, and glass back is sliced because I already have a Note 8, so I know pros and cons of this. Alright, so this one is welcome kit, like, and a SIM eject tool and some stickers, Apple stickers. So I just save it, keep it on a side. Alright, so here is the wall adapter, charger. I can't see right now. Alright, over here is a headphone jack. It's lightning to headphone jack 3.5 mm. Adapter is here, including with that headphones. Let's see, headphones. Yeah, it to the lightning cable because there's no more headphone jack in that iPhone. And charger, yeah, a regular USB to charging cable. Let's go.
Ready? Wow.
I like it. I like the color. Oh, this is the iPhone 6s. The old one I have just on a side. Size comparison is same like the iPhone 6s. That's the irony. And this one is my daily driver Note 8. Dual camera, same glass back. So it's beautiful. I love the size of the screen and everything. AMOLED. iPhone don't have it, but it's really good picture. Okay, see, this is the size comparison. Note 8 is too big from the top, sides, same width. See, no headphone jack, lightning cable port, and this is USB-C. Oh, over here is S8 Plus. Still a small one. Uh, see, little bit thinner, little bit not that much wide. It's way shorter than the S8 Plus. Okay, I have one more S7 Edge. Yeah, it's almost close to the S7 Edge size, but screen is small. Alright, same thickness, shorter, little bit difference in the width, and on the side same aluminum sides. Yeah, it's beautiful, and no, not that much difference in the size, but the screen is different. Alright, let's go and turn on this thing. Come on. Apple logo. For a long time I'm waiting for that glass back. I know it's a fingerprint magnet, so I still love that build quality. Okay, hello. It's good. to English. Oh, let me activate that one and come back. So that way, quick search. Yeah. All right. It's ready to go right now. Let's turn it on. All right. Here's my code. Oh, I don't want to hide it. Don't worry. I change it. See, the quality of the screen is so good. And I'm saying, and still coming from the Samsung AMOLED screen, I'm still saying that one, right? So good. I like the simple OS. Camera is not that bad. Actually, I take a little bit, two, three shots, and I really like it till now. And I'm thinking why I didn't order the 8 Plus and enjoy the dual camera. And still now it's very good, smooth. And that's the only thing I'm going to the Apple because it's simple and smooth. And so here's the comparison of my iPhone 8 with my Note 8 and S8 Plus. I'll enjoy and play with this for 1 week and hopefully get a new video as a comparison between how I like it, the iPhone 8 from Note 8 and S8 Plus. Hope you like and subscribe the video. Thanks. Peace.